guys, you guys wanted the first drive of this Honda Civic Type R with the straight pipe. Let's see what this car sounds like. Again, thank you to everybody showing support in the previous video. Thank you so much for you guys dropping a comment down below, helps so much. And this is it now. You guys asked for the first drive of the exhaust. Let's see what this car sounds like, see if the car's faster, it's got more back pressure, and see if it's got the 10, 20, 15 brake horsepower, whatever brake horsepower it does on the straight pipe. Let's see. I'll have to get this car on a dyno to see what brake horsepower it actually makes with just a straight pipe. Obviously it's got 88,000 on the clock, so a bit of back brake horsepower has gone down. Plus it might need a valve clearance, which from you guys, drop a comment down below. I really appreciate everybody giving me the tips on this car, but yeah, this is so loud. Yikes. Man, what have I done to the Civic? This is far too loud, this is. By the way, I can't close the window. It's stuck because the door's damaged from the outside. But wow. Oh man, this is louder than a Skyline, this is. You know what I like about it? It's nice and quiet and stationary. But when you start driving, yo, it's got the loud noise. Because with the Skyline, it's constantly loud. But yeah, got the Audi. I don't know if you guys noticed the 3.2 V6. Oh man, mashallah, this car sounds amazing. You know, I like it. You know, it's quite Asbo. I feel like I'm too old for this, but if it's gonna gain BHP, get the straight pipe, right? That's what they say, right? That's at 4,000 revs. We're not even in B-check yet. Oh man, mashallah, that sounds crazy, that does. Downshift to see what it sounds like. Oh man. Oh, that sounds mental. Wow, that is insane. This is madness. So Asbo, you know what? When I get the silencer on the back box, it might be quieter, so we might have to do that when we get back. Oh, but this sounds so loud. I hope the car's faster with the straight pipe, because if there's no brake horsepower increase for this, it's not worth it then. I'd say it's only worth it if you're gonna get 10 plus brake horsepower more, but I don't know, to be honest. Sounds crazy. Doesn't sound like there's no pops or bangs or anything. Maybe if I get the plenum EBC, and if I get the straight pipe manifold system, the 421 manifold, then it might get some flames or anything. Sounds crazy. Because of how loud it is, it might not be allowed to be on the track. Time to be a race now. Civic versus 3.2 V6. You jumped the lights! You jumped the lights! Ridiculously loud. like I'm driving like Crossy. That's how he drives, man. He's like, he's on the track. Asbo! I don't want to promote Asbo, but this is not made for the roads. This is made for the track. This stuff's too loud. I can't deal with it, but it's quite enjoyable. Personally, I don't like how loud it is, and I don't think anybody else would like it. But on the track, it's quite fun. Okay, so now we know how loud the car is. We got ourselves a silencer to see if that makes a difference in the car sound, to see if you can get this modification in the car, straight pipe, and get away with it with this. So we're gonna drop it right in here. Let's see what difference it makes. I need to get some tone sound. All right. Sounds better. Sounds better. Let's move it up again. It's a bit better. It's a bit better. Sounds much better, that does. A million times better. That's better. That's a million times better. Wow. I can drive it with that then, more or less. Good stuff. Well done. I don't need any silencer boxes now, because it sounds better. Look at that, nice and quiet. Let's see with a bit more throttle this time. Let's drop it. Let's see. That's better. Much better. It sounds like a micro now. It's a big improvement with this silence. If you guys think we should keep it like that, drop a comment down below. But for me, I'm not too sure. I'm in two minds right now, but we'll see what happens. Thank you very much for watching. Drop a comment down below what you guys think. If it's too loud, it's too Asbo, or it sounds just about right, just drop a comment down below. Thank you very much for the support. May the Almighty bless each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.